Now, here's how you can write a review on the Google Maps. So what you have to do is to make sure you subscribe to this channel so you never miss videos like these, but then open up the Google Maps in here and just then look up any sort of place that any point of interest on the map. It might be obviously a restaurant or quite literally anything that you might be using, right? So just zoom in or just use the search bar to find the exact thing. But let's say you find like this thing on a map. In order to write a review, you have to like enlarge it in here, right? And what you can do is just get to the section for Google reviews, right? And in here, you can tap on all reviews and you have the ability to add a couple of stars in here, right? So let me just come back to the reviews. And your review is right here. So at first you have to choose how many stars you give it. Let's say I'm going to go with 5 stars. And now you get to this page where you can type in additional information. So you can add the rating for food service. This is obviously for a restaurant specifically. Here you type in your text, then you choose what kind of food you had or some other specific questions to the place that you are leaving a review on, right? So then you choose what options were there, what did you like. You can see that you can click on post and add some photos and videos in here as well. So that's how it works, and that's how I would like to add, or that's the way how I like to do it. So you just find any point of interest on a map, then click on the reviews, add the stars, and then additional information according to obviously your experience. So that's how it works. Hope you found this video helpful. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.